Right, good day guys. This is day 2 of our on-site training. So yesterday we showed you around the sites that we are using as a case study. So I told you that each cable CCTV wiring is that from the server room to the access point. The access point is where the camera is. So like as you can see, this is an access point. So from here, this one was installed yesterday. So from here, the cable runs to the server room. So before you do this installation, you have to do the testing of the cable. So now this is how to do the testing of the cable. So I want to show you how to do the testing of the cable. So now you should have a LAN tester. This is a LAN tester. So someone will be in the server room, then someone will plug one end of the cable to this one. It's detachable, you can detach it. So someone will plug like this. So now then another person will now go to where the camera is after clipping the cable. You understand? So the other person will now plug the other end, as this camera end will now be plugged to here. You get? So if you on this one from the server room, you will see it reading. So it must read from 1 to 8. From 1 to 8. If you read from 1 to 8, then you know that the cables and your connections, your clipping, they are okay before you can now go ahead to install your cameras. And so this is how to test your cable. It's just like a continuity tester. So if the connectors are okay, you should read from 1 to 8. So you have to do that testing before you install your cameras. Otherwise, after installing your cameras, you now find out that the clipping is not correct or the cable is damaged. You now need to come and do another troubleshooting. So you have to do this testing. So that's it.